People keep making the mistake of thinking the bigger the TV, the better, no matter what room the TV is placed in. However, when you're short on space, buying an 80-inch TV is sometimes or oftentimes a bad idea. The 32-inch Q60A 4K TV is the perfect solution for these situations. In this video, I'll be listing out the features that allow it to stand out from the obvious to the not so obvious. So definitely stay until the end to hear them all. The first feature that this TV has that stands out is the quality of the video. This TV is one of the few 32-inch TVs that are capable of 4K. Not only that, it uses quantum dot technology that enables 100% color volume. It also has quantum HDR or high dynamic range with improved tone mapping that allows vibrant imagery to shine through. Moving on to the next feature, and that is audio.
What kind of mission is this?
This TV has the object tracking sound light feature that allows audio to track motion in every scene. It has the Q Symphony feature that synchronizes the sound from the soundbar and this TV. It also has an adaptive sound feature that automatically adjusts audio to enhance everything from dialogue, sports, and music. Now, before I move on to the next great feature, if you want to learn more about another space-saving device that produces great audio and video in a small space, check out this video about the XGME Elfing here. Now, with that out of the way, let's move on to the next feature, which is design. Because of the small size of the TV, it is pretty lightweight at 11.9 pounds, so it can be easily moved as needed. The next great feature that this TV has is its smart technology. This TV is small enough that it can also double as a monitor. Your PC can be connected to the TV via HDMI or screen share wirelessly. You can manage your home using the SmartThings app on your TV that will automatically detect, instantly connect, and control your compatible devices. You have multiple options for using a voice assistant, including Samsung Bixby, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. The next feature I want to share with you is not on the TV itself. It's the Samsung Smart Remote for 2021. This remote had a revolutionary design when it was released in 2021, but what makes it really special is the fact that it uses solar power to recharge its rechargeable battery. So all you have to do is turn it upside down so the solar cell is facing up and place it down somewhere where the sun is hitting so the remote can recharge. The next feature that I want to share is the plethora of inputs. The connections are on the left-hand side of the back of the TV. It has an air cable input, 3 HDMI inputs, 2 USBs, an Ethernet connection, and a digital audio out. One thing to note is that it costs $499. It's more expensive than a lot of 42-inch TVs, but for the right person, it's worth it. Also, you could even get it on sale for $450, depending on the time of year. Now, at this point of the video, you might be wondering what other 32-inch 4K TVs might be available. That's why your next step is to watch this video about the Q50R 32-inch 4K TV, where you can see another option for your small living space. Also, if you want to see a comparison of the Q50R 32-inch TV and the Q60A 32-inch 4K TV, make sure to subscribe and hit my notification bell because my next video will be all about this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.